Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing Taylor Swift. The first step I'm going to take is to sketch her out. Now, you can use your pencil, and then I'm going to show you line by line how to draw Taylor Swift. If you want to be bold and use a marker, you can, so get ready. Here's my sketch. Now let's draw. First step, draw her glasses at the top, just like a line with a curve, and then a line in the middle. Now let's go and make the other side. It's just a little bit longer than the first line. Go up. And then now kind of that shape in the middle for her nose. Draw a little tiny nose bridge and start to draw the frames of the glasses by going around. Perfect. Now make the other side go around, but just a little bigger like we did on the top line. And then you're going to connect just a little bit of the side of the glasses. Now let's make the middle part, the lens. Just go around like this. It's kind of like a weird oval shape. Make another shape like that and go around. Doesn't need to be perfect. Then fill all that in with your black marker. You could do that now, or you could do that at the very end. Looks good. Now let's work on her nose. It's just a curved line in and a curved line down with two little small circles. Right at the bottom, there's one little line. And then start to make a curve for the lips. And then it's kind of pointed, so make sure that there's a point that you're coming from the bottom, and then go around to finish. There you go. Now for the teeth, all you have to do is follow that same curve that you did in the first place. Go down again, and then make a curve for the tooth, or the teeth. There you go. Now, when we start on the hand, make sure that your fingers go out just like this and kind of make it so that it touches the glasses. Perfect. The other finger goes right at the bottom, just a little shorter than the first one. And make a line that goes down for the hand part. Now after that, let's make the thumb right there, touch the bottom of the lens of the glasses, and then come down kind of where the hand mark is. Just stop right there. Now I'm going to put a ring on her. Just make a curve that goes on the side of the fingers with a line down, and then from the ring go out a little bit like this, come down. There you go. Now let's curve around. Perfect. And then here's part of her arm. And we're going to make just a small curve, a little bump for the wrist, and then go down for the arm. Love it. Now, right here where you have your thumb, I'm going to make the face go down. And then you're going to go from the other side of the lens and connect that line. Looks good. Now make a little tiny dot, like a guide point, where her hair is going to swoop down like this. Curve it in. Hit the glasses. And then this one right there. Kind of like a little V shape. Make another guide point, kind of where you have that top part of the V, and go down to the hand. And then this one we're going to go around, kind of where the glasses are, and go down, right about her chin. You see that right there? Looks good. Now go past the hand, try to follow that same line for her hair, and go down. then I'm gonna try to work on her hair and neck. So just make a line down for the neck, make a line kind of the same where it's diagonal because her hair is gonna kind of be swooping down. Make a line right there. Now let's go up just like this and then down to hit that kind of like a little angle. On the other side, let's swoop down, and where her neckline was, just bring it down. There you go. Now I'm going to make the line for her neck and t-shirt, just connecting to the hair. Draw some necklines. They're just little marks like that. Let's work on the shoulder. Make a line that goes out to the arm part. And then you can put a little hair strand on the back or however many you want. Kind of right here where the hair is, we're going to make part of her shirt. And then right here, make a line that connects to the shirt. Let's make her shoulder and arm go down. And then right here, her shirt line goes all the way down, kind of where you put your arm line. Now let's start some detail marks in the hair. You could put as many as you want or as little as you want. All it is just following the hair pattern. So you're going to swoop to the side like this and then just make random curves. As long as they're going down, kind of like the shape of hair, you should be good. There you go. A little line. Lines that go down. I'll make a few more. And try to make one that cuts the top of the sunglasses. If you can see, it kind of looks like it's going in her hair. That would look great. Just a few more marks. Again, you could put more than me, less than me. I just thought this looked good. Looks good. Now let's make a few more lines right here for the detail on the other side. Couple more. That looks great. Now it's time to color. Please join me in coloring. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye!